Hello together! As promised, in this video we will have a look at some of the newest additions to the Blockpit app. Some of our most active users will have probably already noticed the new NFTs tab, which offers some really exciting new features for all NFT collectors out there. Straight away, on clicking the NFT tab, you're greeted with the collection view. There's also a second view, the gallery view, but we'll explore that in a bit. For now, let's have a look at the collection view. Every collection showcases a preview picture, its name, the number of items, the blockchain it's based on, its floor price in the native blockchain token, and the collection's overall value in both fiat and crypto. Let's click on a collection, and here you get an overview of all the NFTs you own from that collection. And on clicking an individual NFT, we get to see further details like its name, the Blockpit integration, aka the wallet, direct links to some marketplaces, and a handy share button. This is a quick and easy way to copy an NFT to your clipboard and, for example, share it with your friends on social media. And for those who want to admire their NFTs up close, there is a full screen view button. Back to our collections. Have you ever received one of those scam NFT airdrops? We have a neat hide collection feature just for those. And don't worry, all your hidden collections can be found right at the bottom when you scroll. Let's talk about favorites. Can you see that star on the left of every row? Clicking it adds a collection to your favorites. Activate the favorites filter and here you go, only your top collections are displayed. And with the search bar, finding a certain NFT collection has never been easier. We have also added new sorting options. Whether you want to see collections by their name, by the highest or lowest floor price, or by their overall value, we've got you covered. Now for the part we've all been waiting for, the gallery view. A simple toggle and you're in. This view lays out all of your individual NFTs, every NFT with the same comprehensive details as before. Let's try the favorite button on an individual NFT. This is perfect for showcasing your best pieces. Activate the filter and now only your favorites are on display. As always, you can swiftly find individual NFTs with our search bar, and sorting here is just as intuitive as in the collection view. These additions are not only a nice visual upgrade, but the work done by our team under the hood is truly exceptional and industry-leading. To give you a sense of the scale and depth, we analyze every OpenSea trade and currently track over 78,000 NFT collections, delivering over 30 million price data points daily. This rigorous data gathering and analysis ensures that our users have the most accurate, up-to-date, and comprehensive insights at their fingertips, setting a new benchmark for NFT analytics. Now it's over to you. We would love to see some of your amazing NFT collections, so go ahead and share a screenshot of your favorite NFT showcase on Twitter, and don't forget to tag @blockpit_io in your post. We eagerly await your collections.